Yeah.
You want to hear some Christmas music?
Yeah. I'm going to have some wine now. Hey everyone, I'm Eric.
I'm Mindy.
Happy holidays. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, we had such an amazing year. Thank you to all of you who came out to our tastings. We were everywhere. The Mexican Riviera doing a tasting on the legendary Blues Cruise. Oh, yeah.
We were in Valparaiso, Indiana, which are outstanding wine people there. Reading impressed me more than anything else. What a great wine crowd.
Bakersfield.
Yep.
Mindi Eric's Punta Gorda Wine and Music Festival.
What? 1,000 of our closest friends.
Vallejo.
Right.
We just had so much fun. So next year, 2020, we have so much coming up. So we hope you come out if you haven't been out before. If you have been out before, come out, party with us. Valentine's week, we're going to be at Jazz Alley in Seattle all week playing.
One of my favorite places.
Oh my God, mine too.
Yeah,
I love it. And then Seabreeze Jazz Festival in Florida, Jacksonville Jazz Festival.
Going back to Reading.
Back to Reading.
Awesome.
Punta Gorda Wine and Music Festival. Yeah, Berks Jazz Festival in Reading.
And there's a bunch more that can you mention now?
Hollywood Bowl. Did I say Hollywood Bowl?
I'm sorry. What, you mean the Hollywood Bowl in Hollywood? Oh, that's right. That's right.
So
that's in August, but boy, that's going to be great. Can I go to that one?
Yeah, if you bring wine.
That's right, I will.
So we are doing our wine and music tastings in front of most of these shows, and so we hope you'll come out.
Yeah.
We'll keep you up on the latest and everything.
Well, if you've seen us on the road, great, and you're able to taste our wines, that's outstanding. And if not so far, then please come see us, especially when we do the wine tastings before the shows. We've been able to get some really incredible wines. The last shipment was a Sonoma Coast Rosé, pretty good for a girl.
Yeah.
Sonoma Coast Rosé. And it was one of my favorite wines, the Monterey Imagine Pinot Noir. Now, we sold out of those wines, and rightfully so, they were excellent. And we had a lot of members that really loved those. But don't worry, we got more wine coming. If you're still interested in becoming a member, we have a Napa Valley Chardonnay. Napa Valley Chardonnay from...
Rebel Club.
Do you know where it's from, by the way? Napa
Napa
Valley. Yeah, see, that's the wine expert in me telling you what's going on.
I listen.
No, but it's a Treble Clef, Napa Valley Chardonnay 2018, very special. And the 2016 Viva La Rock Petite Syrah from Mendocino County, a big boy red, but the label is very special. It was made by...
Oh my gosh, my friend Nick Egan is the coolest rock and roll painter, designer, amazing artist. So he did that for us, and
that is a kick-ass label.
That is the coolest wine label I've ever seen in my life. So that's February.
So that's our February shipment. And can I tell them about the May?
Just a little.
All right, we don't tell anybody, but we found a Grenache Syrah Mourvedre from Sonoma County, 2016, that we just acquired, and a very special wine. And there might be a Cabernet in May as well. So anyway, a lot of good wines coming up. Club is really gaining momentum. The whole wine and music ideal is coming together. It's been humbling. Joking aside, it's been great. It's been really, really great to be able to share our lives and this idea of wine and music with people. So hopefully you'll see us in one of those cities coming up and you'll join us and you'll really experience everything that we feel and see every day.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
For now, we want to say happy holidays. We hope you guys are home like we are. We're never at home for the holidays, and this year we are. So this is kind of cool. We get to be at 25th Street Recording Studio here in Oakland. So it's just down the street from our house. And
beautiful place.
I know. Got to work
Cool
on a
vibe.
little new music, see what's in the future.
I'm sorry, did you just drop new music?
Just
new
a
album?
little bit.
What?
Yeah, no one will, So we get to be home for the holidays, and we hope you guys have a beautiful holiday. And we look forward to seeing you in 2020.
You know what I heard too? CD cases make great coasters for wine glasses.
Wow. Hold this. I've got holiday music to play.
All right, you go, Mom.